What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today I got a new knife sent to me from a company called Tacray. Now, this is made in China, and it looks like the specifications of this knife is a D2 steel blade with a G10 carbon fiber handle. Let's take a look at it. Opening this up here, it looks like you got microfiber cloth with a Tacray logo on there. You have the actual knife and a lanyard? You got a lanyard. It's like a green, OD green lanyard that comes with it. This is a company that I will link in the description down below. They do have their own site and they have their products on Amazon. Let's take a look at this here. Oh, wow, look at that. So in pictures, it looks a little larger than normal. We have the carbon fiber scales right there. On the back side, you have the Tacray clip and Tacray on the, and other than that, there aren't any other logos around except that one right there. The access lock kind of pops out, if you can see that right there. It sticks out a little further than the scales, so that's a little different. I'm not used to having the axis or crossbar lock stick out further than the scales itself. It's not ambidextrous, so that's usually a bummer for me because I'm a lefty user, and I really like it when companies have a way for us to have the clip over on the left side, especially if it's an axis lock type knife or a crossbar type lock knife. This one doesn't have it there, so wah wah. Let's look at the action. Nice. Okay, so the action is very smooth. Drop shut on the access lock. I like that. Do they provide any other springs for the access lock? No, they do not. This is all you get. So that tension on this, I want to say, is a little medium. I want to say this medium tension there. And it sticks a little bit when you press a little hard on that crossbar. Crossbar axis, I don't know, it's the same thing in my mind. So if you guys hear me saying axis or crossbar lock, it's this mechanism right here. Okay, it's this type of locking knife. All right, so that flick, smooth, like it. With the lock, smooth. You can do this all day. It's a fidgety knife, super fidgety. Now with the G10 carbon fiber, I want to say texture wise it's a little smooth, so if you don't have a good grip on the knife, you can easily just flick this out of your hand if you're not trained and you understand what you're doing. I want to say maybe 150 clicks, deployments, just like the last knife that I reviewed. I'll get this to where I would want it. According to Amazon, this is a super affordable knife, D2 steel. Taking a look at it one more time. Looks like you got a Wharncliffe blade right there, Tacray. You know, another thing that I don't necessarily like sometimes is when companies, I usually see this with like Chinese made knives, but companies usually put their logo right on that pocket clip. I like it being a little bit more discreet, so that way if it's in my pocket and I have a black pocket clip like this, I usually wear darker bottoms anyway. I don't want people knowing that, you know, I have some branded type logo in my pants. That's probably something I'd like different. And then obviously with this being a crossbar access lock, ambidextrous. There isn't a specific name for this, or is it the Tarcus? Tarcus. Tarcus folding outdoor adventure and camping knife. There you have it. Mikey Daily Carry with another unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm on my road to 10K subscribers. Help me get there. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.